Hello and welcome back. This is part 2 of the Active Directory installation. Now what this is doing is this is going to secure all of our folders, configure Active Directory, install DNS to make sure that everything is working correctly. So this is what this is doing now. Here is this configuring the local domain controller to host Active Directory. So what this is doing is this is gonna create the pieces of software like Active Directory, domains and trusts, sites and services, users and computers. So what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to set up our users, create organizational units and things like that. Here you can see now that it is setting the security policy on this server. So it's going to set the password complexibility requirements and it's going to secure the machine. Here is securing your registry keys and things like that. Okay, note that when DNS server is installed, make sure that you have your Windows Server 2003 CD inserted to your machine. So I'm just going to go to my computer here on my host computer. I'm going to use an ISO file. So here we select Windows Server 03 standard. And then what this is going to do is it's going to throw the launch page up, and we'll just close this because we don't need this at this point. But it will be read when the DNS service is installed. Okay, right, DNS server is going to be installed. Now what this is going to do, this wizard is going to launch the Windows Components wizard. So it's just going to say, right, in the networking services, I want DNS service to be installed, and this is just going to read from the i386 folder on the CD-ROM. Then it's going to copy the files, and at the end it's going to configure the server for you. But bear in mind, when the server has been rebooted, we will have to make a few tweaks like configuring DNS like we forward and reverse lookup zones, install wins, which we'll take a look at another time, and creating users and objects in Active Directory. As you can see now, configuring the service, and then that's going to be the complete on the installation. And then what the computer is going to do is it will restart, or you'll be prompted to restart. And then once the computer is rebooted, that will be the end of the installation. See update and shortcuts. Select finish and select restart now. There we go. I'm going to restart. If you have Windows 2003 or 2, the Active Directory schema is going to be different, much different. So yeah, it will be different to my schema. Okay, Windows is starting up. That's the beginning of the reboot process. Preparing network connection. This may take some while if your server is running on not a lot of memory. It has to run on 2 gigs of RAM, so it's fairly quick.